I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video, we'll try to understand how the trigonometric ratios are related with their acute angle. The question here is, state the equivalent expression for each of the following in terms of the related acute angle. Now this is a very important concept, and in solving any trigonometric equation, we need to normally find the related acute angle and then the real angle, the principal angle. So this exercise will help you to understand how to find related acute angle. Now all these angles are given in radian for us. I have sine function, cotangent and secant function, different types of functions with radian measurements with negative and positive. That means clockwise for negative and counterclockwise for positive, right? So we have good variation here, and I hope with these examples you will understand the concept. The first expression is sine minus 11 pi by 6. Now we need to write this in terms of related acute angle. So first let us understand the term related acute angle itself. If I have to sketch the angle which is minus 11 pi by 6, it means what? It means my pi is divided into 6 portions, right? And I have to get to the 11th one. So one pi is divided into 6, the other also in 6. So there are 12 in all, right? Minus indicates that we have to move clockwise direction, correct? So let us say these are our 6 portions. So we'll divide them. This is the first, starting with first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10, 11, and this becomes the 12th. So when we say minus 11 pi by 6, then we are going in this direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that is minus 11 pi by 6. I hope you get the concept. So 1 less than 12, right? So 1 less than the full circle made clockwise. As you can see here, the related acute angle, which is always the angle with the horizontal, in this case will be pi by 6. Okay? Now, since we are in quadrant 1, sine value is positive. So we'll use cast rule and then figure out what should be the sign. So if you use cast rule, you know all are positive in the first quadrant, and therefore I can write sine of minus 11 pi by 6 as, since it is positive, so I don't have to make it negative, I say sine of pi by 6. Related acute angle alpha is pi by 6 for us. Okay, now I hope you understand and appreciate. Next one is cotangent 11 pi by 3. So let's see. So we'll do the same steps here. First we'll figure out in which quadrant we are. 11 pi by 3 means what? The pi is divided into 3 parts. That means 3 here and 3 here. That means 6, right? And 3 more. 9. And then 3. That means 10 and 11. So you are here. So that is 11 pi by 3, right? So that is how you get 11 pi by 3. Or you could say 12 pi by 3 will be 3/4 circles, right? 3 full circles. So it is 1 less than 12. Here the related acute angle is alpha equals to pi by 3. So it is pi by 3 less than the full pi, right? Do you see that? Acute angle is pi by 3. Now, as per the cast rule, which is CAST, we are considering primary trigonometric ratios. Cotangent is reciprocal of tangent. So if tan is positive, cotangent is positive. If tan is negative, cotangent will be negative. Since you are in quadrant 4, tan is negative, therefore cotangent will be negative, right? And therefore I will write this as, in the first quadrant all are positive. So when we write in terms of related acute angle, then the trigonometric ratio is positive. Since I have to make it negative, we are in quadrant 4, I start with negative of cotangent of the angle, which is pi by 3. Do you see that? So cot pi by 3 will be, you can say, the triangle will be, let me use a different thing. So we're talking about this triangle. Do you understand? So that is my acute angle. Okay, now let's do the last one, which is secant minus pi by 2. So when we say minus pi by 2, that means clockwise, and that is pi by 2. So we are talking about being here. Now, secant is a reciprocal of cos. Acute angle for this will be pi by 2. That is the acute angle which it makes with the horizontal. It makes pi by 2, correct? Now secant is positive here in quadrant 4, and actually speaking, when we say minus pi by 2, then cos value is 0, right? Since cos value is 0, secant is undefined, correct? So we can write this as equal to secant pi by 2 itself, right? It is undefined at pi by 2. One more way of looking into this is, you should remember that sine and tangent are odd functions, right? And cos is even function. That is to say, cos of minus theta is equals to cos theta, whereas sine of minus theta is equal to minus sine theta. Remember that part also. That is also going to help you in such questions, right? So secant minus or plus will give you the same value, just as cos of minus or plus will give us the same value, right? But I hope with this you understand how to find the related acute angle. That's the first part. And writing expression in terms of the related acute angle means incorporate the sign using the cast rule. So if you follow these two steps, you should be in a position to get the right answer all the time. Thank you and all the best.